In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to avoid the long way in Waze. If you want to reach your destination faster, Waze makes it easy to compare route options before you start driving. The key is knowing where to enter your trip details and how to review the routes that appear, so you can pick the one with the shortest travel time. To begin, open Waze. Once you are already inside the app or website, take a moment to look over the screen so you can find the directions tools more easily. You'll want to focus on the left-hand side because that's where the driving directions panel appears. When you see the driving directions section, click into it to start planning your route. This is the area where Waze lets you enter both your starting location and your destination. If you don't see it right away, just look carefully along the left side until the directions panel is visible. Next, type in your starting point. Make sure you enter the correct location because Waze uses that information to calculate the available route options. Being accurate here is important, especially if you're not starting from your current location. After that, type in your destination, double check the place you enter so Waze can generate the most relevant route choices. If multiple results appear, select the one that matches where you actually want to go. Once both locations are entered, press enter on your keyboard. Waze will then process the trip and display the available routes for you. Depending on your connection and the distance, this may take just a moment. When the routes have already appeared, pause and review them carefully. Waze often shows more than one option, and each route may have a different travel time. This is the most important part if your goal is to avoid taking the long way. From there, choose the route with the shorter travel time. In most cases, that will help you avoid unnecessary delays and longer roads. It's a simple habit, but it can save you time, especially during busy hours or when traffic conditions change quickly. That's all there is to it. Open Waze, go to the driving directions panel, enter your starting point and destination, press enter, and compare the routes before choosing one. By selecting the route with the shortest travel time, you can avoid the long way and make your trip more efficient